her name is Holly, and I asked her, her office is in, I think in St. Luke's up in the Woodlands. All right, now, I asked her, I said, clarify for me why female athletes, many times, who run a lot, very active from the standpoint of athletic contests and that sort of thing, running, marathon runners, etc., why they have, and she used this term with me too. She used the term right off the bat. You mean why they have amenorrhea? I said, yeah. All right, now here's the deal. Here's the way she explained it. She explained it like this. There are three principal estrogens. Estradiol, which is the most, E-S-T-R-A-D-I-O-L, estrol, E-S-T-R-O-L, and estrone. Those are the three main estrogen hormones groups. They all, in which I already knew all this. I knew this part. I wasn't aware of what she was fixing to tell me though, but I knew this part. I did know that cholesterol, cholesterol, is the starting point for not only for all steroids, testosterone, the estrogens, vitamin D, aldosterone. Cholesterol is the starting point. It's the base player. All right, now a person who is runs a lot, runs miles. All right, now she explained this to me. I'm going to check in on this. She explained this. She said there are exogenous or extraneous estrogens produced in the subcutaneous layer, from subcutaneous, the fat area. In other words, there is cholesterol. All right, a person who runs all the time, a female, she's real thin. Her cholesterol level is real low. So she is not producing the hormone Holly mentioned to me, estrone. That hormone level is a little bit low because of the abnormally low cholesterol level. And so with that hormone being low, one of those estrogens, that is a key culprit in missing a menstrual period. That was her explanation there. And she said, now I do know, she also indicated to me, being an obstetrician gynecologist, she also indicated to me that many times women who have high cholesterol, a lot of subcutaneous excess. Well, she's talking to me from a medical practice now. I'm just telling you what she told me from a medical practice. That these women will many times have real heavy periods. These women will also be more prone to endometrial cancer, endometrial problems. Okay, so this is what we had a nice little talk about this kind of out there on the patio. I was asking her the questions, and she was clarifying this for me. So this is the obstetrician gynecologist. This was an explanation. But the thing is that the women, and you had mentioned that about, and then I had a girl in my 2401 class who had a friend that was in dance, constantly, all through, didn't start a menstrual period till she was a junior in high school. That's right, that's what this girl told me in my 2401 class. So she was a junior in high school, but she was constantly in dance, she was constantly doing stuff, constantly. Now, you know, that you can, and you're welcome to research any of this you want to. But that was an explanation I was given about that, and that's kind of interesting because I've heard of amenorrhea, absence of. You heard of that before? Yeah. All right. So now on Wednesday, what we'll do on Wednesday, that basically is all I'm going to do in here. I might go over a few other little things briefly on this reproductive stuff, at least on the development here, maybe a couple of other little things. I'm not going to get into chromosomal abnormalities all that much in here, but we might do a few little odds and ends, and then we'll review some. We'll review good for the test. I believe we have a test on Monday, I think, at 8 o'clock.